Hello guys, this is Keyapp and today we would like to discuss one more service which we can offer for your Android applications. It is CPI campaign. So in the previous videos we have discussed how to set keyword promotion campaigns for your Android and iOS application, as well as how to choose the right strategy for both stores. And today we would like to talk about CPI campaigns. So after you logged into an account, just go to order section and here is at CPA campaign section. So first of all, let's discuss what CPA campaigns are. It is a tool which is used to attract new users for your application. So basically CPA campaigns are mostly used in the following cases. The first one, when you need more installs, when you need more active users, and when you need users to make some in-app activity. So basically, CPA campaigns provide the installs from ads, so only users interested in the app will download it. And the second case when CPA campaigns are used is when you need to get into the index for the keywords. For example, you have created an app, optimized it, but the app cannot be found by any keywords at a store. So in such cases, you can start CPA campaign just to show Google that the app has an app activity and should be found for any keywords. So just press continue, choose the store application or ad application, and then already you can choose the country. So countries are filtered according to cost per install, according to regions of the world, and by language. So high CPA, medium CPA, and low CPA mean the cost per install actually. For example, in high CPA countries such as Australia, Great Britain, the USA, the cost per install may be from 50 cents to $1. In medium CPA from 30 cents to 50 cents, and in low CPA it may be from 5 cents, maybe as well 10 cents, 15 cents. So for example, you want to promote to get some installs from ads in medium CPA countries, such as Lithuania, for example, Indonesia, Estonia. So here you can filter by the part of the world, for example, Europe. And for example, you want just to leave the countries where users speak Spanish, no countries, or for example, English, it is Malta. So next, here you can set some more options. First of all, it is daily budget. It means how much you are ready to spend for installs daily. It may be from $5 to $100. So the campaign won't spend more than you set daily. Then target CPA, it means for how much you are ready to buy one install from the ad. So the minimum is 5 cents. It is low CPA regions such as, for example, Pakistan, India, and the maximum is $1. Such a cost per install may be in such countries as the USA, Australia, Canada, Germany. And the last setting is days in campaign, the minimum 5, the maximum 30, and you can also set the campaign for unlimited amount of days. So continue. Here you should write some descriptions. You can generate them or you can write them by yourself. So basically it is headline 1, headline 2, and description. This text will be seen by users on the internet, on different websites and platforms when they see the ad with your application. So just think what your application is about and how it can attract users, and just write some text here so users could pay attention to your application. Press continue, and here you can already see the sum up of a campaign. Application, countries, the amount of countries chosen, the duration, daily budget, and target cost per install. So As you may see, these installs are mostly about some in-app activity, about amount of installs the app has, and they do not help to increase the positions for the keywords, for example, what keyword installs can. But anyway, do not forget that if you need any help with the promotion with keyword or CPA campaigns, just contact us.